Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how Germany could have won WW1. Start by prioritizing a rapid, decisive victory in the West, securing rail hubs and ports to force a quick armistice. Then expand U-boat strategy to disrupt Allied supplies while avoiding diplomatic escalation with neutral states. Mobilize industry for sustained artillery and machine gun production, and exploit rail and telegraph control to outmaneuver opponents. Secure conditional peace talks to consolidate gains and negotiate favorable borders. Start by selecting a reputable wallet app or a hardware device, then follow the in-app creation process. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support future guides. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough for comfort and a lifetime warranty. They hold up to daily use and feel great on long walks to your hardware wallet. Check the description for the link and other deals, and treat your feet while you protect your crypto. Now let's get back to the video. Open your wallet app and navigate to Receive or Addresses to view your public Bitcoin address, often called the wallet number. Copy the address exactly or scan the QR code to avoid mistakes, and paste it into the sender field when receiving funds. Double-check the first and last characters to confirm accuracy. Remember that addresses are safe to share, but never expose your private key or seed phrase to anyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.